Let's see about the animation process carried out in the previous video. In Adobe Illustrator, make sure you have aligned the layers properly. Let's open Adobe After Effects. Create new project, drag and drop the file. Click OK. Replace footage with layered composition. Now double click the composition. You will see the layers of the file. Let's create a new solid layer for the white background. Drag and drop it all the way down. Now create a null object. Select all vector layers. Set null object as parent pick white, so that we can able to scale up and change the position. To increase the quality, enable Rasterize. Let's create an animation. Create a keyframe in starting point. Create another keyframe after 2 seconds. Now change the vertical position value and change the rotation values too. Now copy the first keyframes and paste it again in 4th second. Select last 2 keyframes to make a smooth animation. Now you can see the child is going up and down smoothly. Repeat the same process for the furthest layer too. For the sky, I am just changing the horizontal position. Now let's create the text part. Type happy and change the position to top center. In a text layer, click Animate, select position. In a range selector, create 2 keyframes. In second keyframe, set start value as 100%. Now in between 2 frames, change the position. That's it for the text animation. Let's create a new shape layer and resize it. Align it on both sides of the text. Do the same for Father's Day text too. For the audio effect, I'm adding child giggle sound and background music. Here we go.